but I don't want my face matching.
She's funny. She's very specific with like how her photos are supposed to be. Like she stages them.
Stages them.
Yeah.
You're lucky Adriana's on this side and not by your side.
Yeah.
You're lucky. How old are you now?
17, sabi niya.
Yeah.
Or 16?
17.
I have a 16 now.
Like a little like.
You just want like that?
Or you can
So you want to use this one? Like that?
Yeah.
I don't mind.
You can just do that one right there. But you don't have to look please.
Yeah, because I'm not. I don't want to use that.
We just do one big one.
Yeah, she can just do the one
What
big
photo do you
one.
want?
Yeah, one big one. That's fine.
What? Just one?
Yeah, 3, that's okay. 3 times 3, 9, kulang pa, no?
Wait, hold on.
3 times 3.
This one's fine.
Yeah.
Fine.
O, may ano mga, oh. Spark. Yan.
Oh, should I light it?
Yeah.
Oh wait, I can do it.
Oh, let her do it.
Yeah.
I'll stay here.
Oh, actually, I should not. Maybe I can't do it.
You sure you can do it?
What? Yan.
There we go.
I think you cannot do it.
Masusunog ka pa.
Oh my god, I was so close. I was doing it.
Your hands are gonna be on fire right now.
Wait, let's sing.
I'm not a liar, so it didn't happen. I was saying.
Oh, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yan. Happy birthday, dear Erica. Happy birthday to you. Blow, blow, blow. Wow. Ay.
Did you make a wish?
Did you make a wish?
So you're not a liar, so that's why your pants didn't catch on fire? Is that what you're trying to say?
Like if you don't lie, you're not.
Oh.
They're not flammable?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how it
Or
works.
your pants at least.
Your pants are
Okay, it's still burning.
Oh, it is.
Oops.
That's crazy. I actually thought your pants were gonna light on.
Oh my god. If that happened to me, I would have.
You would have laughed.
I mean.
Everybody would throw their drinks on you right now.
Yeah.